everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a new toy, so let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm very excited about opening these boxes because I started my YouTube channel without any real good material. Really, I had no knowledge about editing. I don't have a camera. If you watch my previous videos, you will know that I'm actually using my phone to make these videos that I have. So I'm very happy that I actually went ahead and start the YouTube channel even though I didn't have a camera. And so today I have my new camera and I'm super excited. So I've been using my iPhone 13 Pro Max to make videos, and you know, it has been a challenge, but I'm very happy that I went ahead and started the YouTube channel just the same. Anyways, without any more talking, let's get into it. So for the unboxing, I got two boxes. So first I'm going to tell you about the camera. So the camera is called DJ1 Pocket 2 camera. The camera is actually called DJI Pocket 2, not DJ1, sorry. And I bought the full package. It comes with an SanDisk micro SD card, 128 gigabyte card. So let's see the price. I paid 3,628 RMB for everything because they have a cheaper package, but I decided to just go all out and get the SD card included in the package. So that's 3,628 RMB, which is equivalent to about 532 US dollars. Okay, so let's get into it. What should I open first? Should I open this one or should I open this one? I think this is the camera and these are accessories. Okay, I'm gonna do the camera first. So I have my scissors. This is gonna be a very short video, of course. Holy shit! Sorry guys, I realized the fan was on, so I just turned it off. I was gonna start the video over, but I don't feel like doing that. Anyway, so let's open. Super excited. I'm super excited but nervous at the same time. Oh, why did I think, I don't know what's in this. Okay, so it comes with the SD card. This is SanDisk and it says 128, you see that, gigabyte there. Nice. Okay, it comes with the adapter and the card is there, as I said. All right, so here is the camera. So like I said, it's DJ1 Pocket 2 camera. It's a creator combo, it says. There it is. So nice. All right, under it says download for Android, so I need to have an app in order to use it. Android and Apple Store. Okay. All right, let's open. Why do I want to open this last? I look, you want to open it last, but anyways, okay, let's do this. Let's do it. Come on, Kay. Couldn't find my box cutter, so now I'm fighting with these scissors. Oh, child. Okay. Ooh. Come on, you're making me nervous. Okay. Okay, that's that. Put this here. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a camera. See that? Okay, I'm thinking it comes with, is this a case? Looks like a case. Why I can't open it? Okay. Ah, so that's the camera. Cute, small and cute, and I guess this is just to hold it. The holder. But that's cute. Can you see that? I don't even know if you can see it. Because again, like I said, I'm using my phone and I'm using the back camera. This is cute. This is very cute because it just seems like, you know, when you don't really want people to know that you have this big camera in your hand, you don't really want people to know that you're filming. So this is very, very convenient to have. This is nice. It's so small. Wow, I'm excited. Okay, and I see that it has these things. I don't know what they are. I'll figure them out off camera, of course. I see, maybe this is a charger. Maybe this is a charger. I'm not sure. Comes with that. Then I see this. Of course, listen, I am not tech savvy. I don't know anything about, you know, these things. I just know I needed it and I'll figure everything out afterwards. So those are some of the parts that I'm seeing so far. I see this. Something fell. This looks like a part of a stand. And then I see this. I don't know what that is. So, wow, I'm actually I'm so excited to just try and see what this is all about. So far I showed you the actual camera is right here. Wow, it's so small and convenient. Look, I will just hold it like this and just vlog, do whatever. And then these accessories that came with it. I don't even know if you can see me. I'm standing, I'm sitting, I'm not sitting or anything. And then, like I said, this comes with it. Okay. Oh, what's this? This is something else. I don't know what this is. Oh, plugs. Some different plugs and stuff. I guess it's just extra plugs and stuff. Oh, I see a wire. Okay, charging stuff. And it comes with a string I can put on the camera, I guess, to hold it better. Oh, that's nice. Oh, well worth it. Remember, I told you I paid 3,628 RMB, which is equivalent to 532 US dollars. I don't think that's bad. The other camera, oh, and it comes with, I guess this is the manual. Yes, the start guide, which I will look through later on, because like I said, I know nothing about these things. I just felt like I needed and to improve my channel. All right, so let's go to the next box. I don't know what's inside. Maybe a bag. I don't know. Why would they send me a bag? But anyways, it's whatever. I really don't know. I'm just excited. It is a bag. Oh, it's a case to keep everything in. Nice. Nice. Oh, this is cute. It looks slick. All right, so this is the bag. I guess I can store anything in it. And like that. Okay, nice. So I can put all the things that came with this inside here and keep in one place. So I don't have to have everything all over the place. Yeah, this is really cute. I'm guessing so this is the power button. I'll figure everything out at the end. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing. watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I have another unboxing video coming up because I bought something else. You have to stick around to see. Anyways, bye. See you in the next one.